What you want to do is, I'm not sure how strong your fingers are. You get up under there and pop that up just like that and go along the way. And actually, I could actually stop right there, but you know, I think I might. Let's just take the whole one, just in case you're doing both of them. You got all these clips going around it. Pops up real easy. Let's put that to the side. And then already we can see our clips holding in our grill. And what you do is you can either take your finger or a screwdriver, and that little center part right there, you want to push it down, and at the same time pushing this out. So let's get the screwdriver. We're gonna put a little pressure on this, and we're gonna take it, pop it up just like that, just like that. Now you're gonna have two right here. Now I'm not gonna go ahead, because you're gonna have to try to get up under there and get that out. Or what you can do is take off these T30 screws right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you'll be able to take the cover and bring the cover forward and try to get in there and do them clips as well. But again, you're not reusing this. Take that out, break it up. Now you got little clips up out of there. You got one over here. Now what I did was, from the back side, I just squeezed that little tab in and brought that little piece out. The same thing I'm going to do over here. Take that out. Let's get us a rag and we're going to clean this. Now guys, you're going to have videos out there where the guy's taking all this stuff off. You see how he said this? You're not reusing the grill. It ain't like you got to take this apart to work on anything right here. So it's just that easy. So, you know, we don't have to clean it up, but I'm just going to clean it up. Let's get a rag and wipe this up. Alright guys, I wiped it up as much as I could. Now technically guys, you didn't even have to take that top off. I mean, it makes it easier, so once you pop them 3 at the top out, you got something to grab on. You just yank that thing out. Alright, let's get our brand new one. Yeah boy, look at that. A little protective plastic on it. Now this one, what you want to do, make sure everything's lined up. And what you want to do is make sure all the tabs are lined up. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. All right. That is done. Look how good. Man, they should get the other one. All right. So then we're going to take our weather stripping right here, this whole bracket, make sure the clips and everything is lined up. I'm just going to pop that back into place. The hood down. Yeah, buddy, you are done. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video.